The Sports for All Athletics event was planned and delivered by students on the third year of the Physical Education, Physical Activity and Sport degree programme in conjunction with Derby County Community Trust and supported by the first years on the same programme. The incumbent Sheriff of Derbyshire at the time of the event and Chairman of Derbyshire County Cricket Club, Ian Morgan OBE, was guest of honour for the day, and we had over 100 Year 2 to 4 pupils from 6 schools across Derby City attend the event. The event allowed the university students to gain practical experience in a wide range of aspects of PE delivery and showcased all the very best elements of physical activity and teamwork. It was a real pleasure to see the university students thriving in a real-world environment, making adjustment to their plans when the inevitable but thankfully minor changes were required on the day. The school pupils also had a great day, with a People Voice survey carried out on the day identifying the relay races as a particular highlight for them. Teachers from the schools welcomed the opportunity to bring their pupils off-site for an experience like this and benefit from the children accessing sporting opportunities and facilities they may not have at their schools. This is an example of just one of the practical experiences students on the Physical Education, Physical Activity and Sport programme are provided that really allow them to work directly with schools and pupils, either based at the schools themselves or at external venues like this. Jack Southport, Physical Education and Schools Lead for Derby County Community Trust.
It was great to see the students putting the skills and knowledge from the degree into practice at the event. The students have done a great job planning and delivering the competition, and it's a valuable experience of coordinating and delivering a sports development project from start to finish.